Okay, now we're going to create one more Power Pivot table. And I think I still have my window. I'm going to come down to my taskbar. I don't think you can see it down here, but here's my Power Pivot for Excel window that is still open. If it wasn't still open, I could come over to the Power Pivot tab and choose Manage. And then I'd be able to create it right from this window. Pivot table. And this time we're actually just going to use the population by county. Step 4, we want to see how, excuse me, how concentrated the population is in each of the 20 most populous counties. So I will toggle this down. And I'm going to name the worksheet Population Pivot Table. We're going to include the county field, which will go to the rows, the population field, because a number defaults to values, and the square miles will also default to the values also. And then we want to add a calculated field, but in Power Pivot, they're called measures. So we're going to come up, we're on our Power Pivot tab and click on measures and say new measure. And we want to see a column showing the population per square mile. So we are going to use oops, I'm sorry. This part was fine. We don't need to change the table name. We're going to change the measure name. Population per square mile. And I'm going to click down here where the formula goes. And to be able to use our field headings, we need to keep the equal sign. And then if I type a bracket, it will populate our field names. And we're going to choose sum of population divided by bracket the sum of the square mile. We want it to be a number, and we want it to be a whole number. And there we go. Now we can see the population per square mile of these different counties.